Hello investors, it's Zil from Equitymaster bringing you investing insights to make investing simple and easy to learn. To stay updated on investing trends and the latest developments on Indian markets, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. The modern day warfare depends on technology more than conventional firepower. Defense forces across the globe are heavily investing in artificial intelligence and electronic warfare methodologies to enhance their surveillance systems, hone their battlefield intelligence, precision targeting, border security, and more. Amid this increasing focus on technology in the defense space, drones and counter-drone systems have become an inevitable part of today's defense mechanism. These unmanned aerial systems have become an integral part of many defense forces strategies. With the rising drone incursions, especially along sensitive border areas in India, the government has increasingly prioritized developing advanced drone systems in India, and domestic companies are being aligned for the same. In this video, we compare two such drone stocks, Zen Technologies and Paras Defense. Before we move on, please note this video is for information purposes only. It is not a stock recommendation and should not be treated as such. There is no opinion or view on any stock covered herein. With that disclaimer out of our way, let's get started. Zen Technologies is known for its combat training simulators and anti-drone systems. With over 3 decades of experience in developing defense training systems, it has deployed over 1,000 such systems globally. Having said that, the company's main customers are the Indian Armed Forces, paramilitary forces and police forces. From electronic warfare systems, naval simulators, automated weapons and surveillance systems, robotics and automated weapons stations to drones and drone components, Zen Technologies offers them all. Zen Technologies acquired 76% stake in TISA Aerospace for drone manufacturing and supply. While for manufacturing different parts of drones and their components, it acquired 51% stake in Vector Techniques. Counter Unmanned Aerial Systems, that is CUAS, is developed by a company which is known for detecting, tracking and neutralizing hostile drones either by communication disruption or through physical destruction. Zen Vyom Kavach, an advanced anti-drone system, is another leading product of Zen Technologies, which offers real-time drone detection and neutralization facilities against different types of aerial threats. Apart from drones, the company offers training solutions such as live ranges, live simulation, virtual simulation, and combat training centers too. It also delivers operational equipment such as the ISR system, force multipliers and both marine and naval solutions. Well, Paras Defense and Space Technologies is engaged in manufacturing, development, designing, supply of an array of defense and space engineering products and solutions. From developing defense electronics to electro-optics, anti-drone solutions and even heavy engineering systems, Paras does it all. In the drone and anti-drone space, Paras is leveraging its years of experience in optics. It is the only Indian company that manufactures cameras for drones and unmanned aerial vehicles, that is UAVs. In June 2025, Paras announced a joint venture with Haven Drones, which is the world's leading hydrogen-powered drone manufacturer based in Israel. This is to develop the first ever ready-to-fly hydrogen-powered drones in India with over 12 hours of flight time, 22 kgs of payload and more. Coming to the market capitalization, Zen Technologies has a higher market capitalization of 130.3 billion rupees compared to Paras Defense market cap of 58 billion rupees. Zen Tech's stock price has gained around 20% in the past year. However, it has dipped from its 52-week high of 2,268.2 rupees to its current price of around 1,440 rupees. One of the major reasons for this could be a drop in revenue during the Q1 of FY26 quarter. However, since then, the stock price has moved gradually upward owing to different factors such as major order wins, steady increase in the revenue and profits, significant acquisitions, especially in the TISA aerospace for drone technology and others. On the other hand, Paras Defence share price has tanked by 22% in the past year, and from the 52-week high of 971.8 rupees to the current price of around 719 rupees. Paras Defence saw a massive rally between March 2025 and May 2025, but due to profit booking, the share price fell sharply in the mid of July. Since then, it has been almost flat. Reasons like sluggish order book growth through FY26, muted revenue and profit growth contributed to the muted performance of this niche defense stock. Coming to the revenue, Zen Technologies revenue grew at 77.9% CAGR in the last 5 years from 546 million rupees in FY21 to 9,736 million rupees in FY25. The quarterly revenue went up to 3,250 million rupees in Q4 of FY25. In Q1 of FY26, it slipped to 1,582 million rupees. Since then, it has gradually gone up to 1,778 million rupees in Q3 of FY26. On the other hand, Paras Defence saw revenue growth at 20.5% CAGR in the past 5 years, rising from 1,433 million rupees to 3,647 million rupees between FY21 and FY25. In the recent quarters, Paras Defence witnessed slow revenue growth owing to muted order wins. So if you compare both companies, Zen Technologies is leading when it comes to revenue growth, primarily owing to big-scale order wins, mainly from the defense space. In terms of profitability as well, Zen Technologies is leading. Operating profit of Zen Tech for the last 5 years grew at 111.6% CAGR, while for Paras Defence it grew only at 18.9%. Similarly, the net profit of Zen Tech grew at 155% CAGR for the same period, while Paras Defence only lodged 31.3% CAGR during the period. Zen Technologies not only rapidly scaled its business compared to Paras Defence, but also managed its expenses efficiently, which is evident from its operating and net profit margins, which have also significantly grown over the years. Now let's compare the financial efficiency of both drone makers, and for that we will be comparing return on equity and return on assets. ROA of Zen Tech sharply increased from a mere 1.9% in FY21 to 15.6% in FY26, while Paras Defence ROA decreased to 5.8% in FY24 from 8% recorded in FY21. However, at the end of FY25, it again surged to 8.1%. Similarly, the ROE in the case of Zen Tech was around 1.4% in FY21, which surged to 17.6% in FY25, but Paras Defence only witnessed a growth from 7.6% to 9.6% during the period. One of the interesting factors is that the order book of both companies as of 31st December 2025 was quite close. However, FY26 Paras Defence only received orders worth 220 million rupees, while Zen Technologies won orders worth 5,860 million rupees only during Q3 of FY26. Coming to the dividends, Zen Technologies has been paying regular dividends, even though the dividend per share is low. On the other hand, Paras Defence hardly paid any dividends. Finally, we will be comparing the valuation of two companies, and for that, we will evaluate price to earnings and price to book ratios. Zen Technologies has a PE of 45.6, while that of Paras Defence is 81.2. Similarly, the PB ratio of Zen Technologies is 6.9, lower than 9.3 of Paras Defence. Both ratios indicate that Zen Technologies is undervalued compared to Paras Defence at their current market prices. Now the question is, which is a better drone stock, Zen Tech or Paras Defence? If numbers are compared, then Zen Technologies is way ahead of Paras Defence, whether it is the revenue, profits, or financial efficiency, Zen Tech is leading ahead of Paris Defense. However, given the order book scenario, Paris Defense is close to that of Zen Tech. But again, the execution is a question, and so is the operational efficiency. As a drone stock, Paris Defense has only 10% of its orders for anti-drone systems, while Zen Tech has more than half of its orders for anti-drone systems. Both companies are exploring new opportunities in the drone and anti-drone systems market, and given the geopolitical scenario, this space is rapidly growing. So before deciding which is the best drone stock, as an investor, it is crucial to evaluate all such factors from companies' fundamentals to the future market opportunities. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family and make them as smart as you are. This is Zil from Equitymaster. Thanks for tuning in.